Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. Alright, so let's begin with opening your contact list. Let's start with opening the dialer, then tap on contacts right here and find the contact you'd like to edit, and then tap on it, for example this one. Then we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so this pencil icon in the middle, and then tap on this camera icon. So now we can either take a photo and then your device will immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will take a photo quickly. Just let me maybe catch this one. All right. And now we have to tap on this tick icon. Here we have to verify ourselves, so just enter the screen lock. And now in this step we can change the size of this highlighted square. We can also change the position of it. And thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. Now tap on save in the right upper corner, and here we've got our contact with the updated photo. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.